start the crocheting project with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, you can do this and make a knot. Then insert your hook and start making chains. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 18 chains. I want to start making single crochet inside the second chain from the hook. So this is the first chain, this is the second chain. Insert your hook inside this loop, yarn over, pull through, and pull through 2. This was the first single crochet. Next one, yarn over, pull through, and pull through 2. Keep making single crochets until you get here. This is stitch, not the last one. For the last chain, I'm gonna make 3 single crochets inside of it. So insert your hook, 1 single crochet, again inside the same loop, 2 single crochets, and then turn your work This was the last chain, remember this? Insert your hook inside the front loop. And this is the third single crochet. Like this. Now we want to make 1 single crochet exactly in front of the bottom single crochets. So we made 1 in here. Let's make 1 in here. You see the gap? Here again, this gap. You see there are 2 loops that we are inserting our hook. That has 2 strings. Keep making single crochets until you get in here, not the last gap. Now into the last gap, which is here, we're gonna make 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Now you must have 36 single crochets. Now insert your hook into the first single crochet we made, like this. Yarn over and yarn over again and pull through. It's called a slip stitch. Now I want you to chain 3 and make a double crochet in this stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through 2. And again in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, we need 1 double crochet inside each stitch. We same here all around the work until we get in there. So we're gonna get 36 double crochet, and this one should count as a double crochet, these 3 chains. Now I have 36 double crochets, so we want to make a slip stitch in this chain. So I'm gonna insert my hook and take 2 loops, of course, like this. Pull through and pull through. It looks like that now. Now again I wanna chain 3, insert your hook in this stitch, which is the next stitch, like that, and make a double crochet. You need to crochet the next round just exactly like this round, and you can make it as long as you want and crochet your favorite size. When you get to your favorite size, come here and let me tell you what to do next. This is the end of round 20 for me. When you wanna slip a stitch for the last time, insert your hook, and now we want to change the color. So get your new color and pull through 1, pull through 2. Now you can cut the white yarn. Now let's work on the new color. Chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. This chain is counted as a single crochet. So 3 single crochets and skip 1 stitch, 5 double crochets in the next stitch. So I'm gonna skip this one and make a double crochet inside this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now skip this stitch and single crochet inside this one. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. Now again skip 1 chain, 1 stitch, and 5 double crochet in the next one. Now again skip 1 stitch, single crochet inside the next one. Keep doing this pattern 6 times until you get here. I did this pattern 6 times. Now when you get here, 1 slip a stitch in here in the first stitch of new color. So it looks like this. Now you can cut the yarn, pull it, and here is the white yarn, pull that too. Now let's make some knots in here. 1 and 2. Now you can hide the tails of the yarn in here and weave them. There is a written pattern in the description for the strawberry. You don't need to sew it to your pencil case, just use a glue gun and connect it to your pencil case. Mine is connected. It's really gorgeous. And the leaves are here. Now you need a string of 65 chains, which is like that. Now insert your hook in here in the second round from the top and get the string. Like this. Now all you need to do is to weave the string inside of the work. Skip 3 double crochets and pull it through here after 3 double crochets. Keep doing this all around the pencil case. When you did this, I need you to make 2 or 3 knots down here, like that, not too tight. 1, 2, and 3. Pull it as hard as you can. Now you can just cut the yarn like this. Your drawstring pencil case is ready. Thank you for watching the video.